Will the repair bond to previously patched areas when doing a repair over repairs depends entirely on the condition of the existing patch. For a successful bond, start by assessing the old patch for firmness by pressing and tapping to detect hollow spots. Remove any loose material with a stiff brush and then clean the area with water and a mild detergent. Rinse thoroughly and let it dry completely because moisture prevents adhesion. If the old patch is sound but glossy or sealed, abrade the surface with coarse sandpaper or a wire brush to create mechanical key, then wipe away dust with a dry cloth. Use a compatible repair material that matches the base substrate. Manufacturers often specify whether their product bonds to existing repairs, so follow their datasheet for mixing ratios and working time. When applying, feather the edges of the new repair into the old patch rather than creating a ridge. So tensile stresses are distributed, and the overlap is at least 1 inch beyond the damaged area for small repairs and larger for wide patches. Cure the repair under recommended conditions, avoiding temperature extremes and direct water exposure until fully set, and consider using a bonding primer when rebar or porous substrate is present to ensure chemical adhesion. Finally, monitor the repaired area over the next several days and apply a second pass only if the first pass shows no shrinkage or delamination after the full cure time. Common issues include poor adhesion because the old patch was not fully cleaned or was still damp, which is resolved by removing contaminants, drying the surface, and abrading smooth areas before reapplying. Another frequent problem is using an incompatible repair material that cracks or separates, so check product compatibility and, if uncertain, perform a small mock test patch to confirm bonding properties before committing to a full repair. A third concern is applying a repair too thick in one pass, which can lead to shrinkage cracks. Avoid this by applying in thin, controlled layers and allowing each layer to cure as recommended. At bighomeprojects.com, we help homeowners connect with local contractors and explore repair approaches and product recommendations through our listings. We also host a discussion community where we and other members share experiences, ask questions, and help contractors find work by engaging directly with homeowners.